When did John Muir meet Theodore Roosevelt? A. Between 1901 and 1906. B. Between 1838 and 1868. C. Between 1906 and 1914. D. Between 1868 and 1901. Or E. Between 1906 and 1907. Let's begin by finding where John Muir meeting Theodore Roosevelt is located in the text. We see this in the 6th paragraph, which tells us that in 1901, Theodore Roosevelt became President of the United States. Muir took the president through Yosemite, and Roosevelt helped get legislation passed to create Yosemite National Park in 1906. Although the text doesn't tell us exactly which year Muir and Roosevelt met, it does tell us that in 1901, Theodore Roosevelt became president, and in 1906, Roosevelt helped get legislation passed to create Yosemite National Park, after meeting with Muir. Therefore, we can head to our choices and mark A between 1901 and 1906 as our final answer.